Hello everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. Today in this video, we will talk about how you can connect ChatGPT to your WordPress website, that too for free and in a very easy way. So let's get started. So for this, we will use the Novamira plugin. You will find this plugin on its official website, novamira.ai, and I will provide the link for it in the description. And through Novamira, you can connect any AI client such as ChatGPT, Claude AI, Claude Desktop, Anti-Gravity, Cursor, and any other different types of AI clients. Using this plugin, and you can connect all these AI agents to your website, and it gives AI full access to PHP executions, WP-CLI commands, database queries, and edit files. So guys, to download Novamira, if you look at the menu, you will see the download for free option here. And along with this, if you look at its hero section, you will see the download for free option there as well. And along with the free version, Novamira also has paid plans available. So there are 3 paid plans given here, and you can purchase them according to your agency or your requirements. Currently, I am using its free version, and you can go here and download it. So I have already downloaded the zip file for this plugin. So let's move on to our next step. Our next step is that we now need to upload this plugin to our WordPress website. For this, we will go to our dashboard. Here you will go to plugins, then we will go to add plugins. After add plugins, we will click on upload plugin. After this, we will choose the file here. And after this, we will select the Novamira zip file that I had already downloaded here. And after that, we will install it by clicking on Install Now. So guys, our Novamira plugin is currently installing here. So it has been installed. Now we will activate it from here. And our Novamira plugin is now activated here. And along with this, if we look at our dashboard, you will see the Novamira option there. So after this, we will click on Configuration here. As soon as you click on Configuration, an interface like this will open where it will say Enable AI abilities, and right below it, it says Turn on AI abilities for the site. We will click on it and tick it. After this, we will save the settings. Let's click OK. After that, as we scroll down, you will find many AI clients here. You can choose any AI client of your choice from these. So I have talked about ChatGPT, so I am choosing ChatGPT here. As soon as you choose ChatGPT, you will see another section below it which says choose your authentication method. So you can see 2 types of options here, but the application password option is disabled because it says ChatGPT requires OAuth. So application password authentication is not available, right? So we will use OAuth. We will click on it here. Another section has opened here which says connect your AI client, and below it you can see that how you can connect your AI clients to WordPress. So the first step is enable developer mode. For this, what we need to do is go to our ChatGPT. After this, we will go to its settings. After going to settings, we will go to security and login. After scrolling down a bit, we will see developer mode here. So our developer mode is currently off here. So we will turn it on from here. Then we will go back to our WordPress. Okay, so we will copy this name from here. We will come back to ChatGPT here. Now we will go to its plugins. Here we will go to browse plugins. After that, we will click on the plus icon that you see here. You have to add your name here. So I am adding the name I just copied here. After this, we will go back to our WordPress. And here is the third step, enter the server. Enter the server URL, and below it, it says paste the URL below as the server URL. Keep authentication set to OAuth. Tick I understand. I want to continue and press create. Then sign in when the browser opens. So we will copy this from here. We will go back to ChatGPT. And here in the connection section, we will paste this URL. For authentication, we will use OAuth. So we will add OAuth here in the authentication section. After that, we will tick the I understand and want to continue checkbox. Then we will click on create. After this, an interface will open for you. And here, you will click on this sign in button. And as soon as you click it, an interface will appear where you will see Authorize, where you need to click on Authorize. So guys, you will see an option here in green that your Nova Mira is now installed. And your ChatGPT is now connected to your Nova Mira. So let's test it a little. It has connected to our WordPress. So let's ask ChatGPT some questions and see if it answers them correctly or not. So for this, I will ask it a simple question like, how many plugins are installed on my website Gym Vibe? So let's see what answer it gives. So guys, you can see that it has given the answer here. Your Gym Vibe website currently has 4 installed plugins and all 4 are activated. And let's see if the 4 plugins it has shown are actually the ones in our WordPress. For this, we will go back to our WordPress dashboard. We will come here to plugins. So guys, you can see that the 4 plugins ChatGPT told us about are Elementor, Elementor Pro, Nova Mira, and Softlight.io integration. So you can see here that those same 4 plugins are installed and active. So now let's get ChatGPT to write a blog post for our website. So I have written a small instruction here, a small prompt. Write a blog post related to fitness tips and publish it on my website Gym Vibe. So we will send it from here. So we will click here. It is currently processing. So guys, the process is complete here. And it says, yes, I can publish the fitness blog directly to your Gym Vibe. And along with this, it is written below that the WordPress block editor finalizer is currently offline. So please open the WordPress admin page and keep it open while I publish the post. So let's click on Open Gym Vibe blog editor queue, which it has written below. Let's open the link. And we will write done here. And we will wait for a while. So guys, our entire process is now complete. And you can see that Claude has gone into our WordPress and prepared a blog post here, the name of which you can see here. 10 simple fitness tips to build a healthy lifestyle. And below, it has also given a link to the blog post. So let's open this link. Okay, so guys, now you can see here that it has prepared a blog post for us. Yes, it has prepared it. Now you can see the blog post here. Now we will go to our dashboard. We will go to posts here and you can see that here too. So our blog post has been added here. So guys, in this way you can use ChatGPT for your WordPress sites. We also provide AI related website development services. So if you need any help or want to ask any question related to it, you can book a free 30-minute consultation call with our experts. That's all for today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.